Hi, this is Shane Ripley, your host with Mountain Crypto. I'm here with my lovely wife behind the camera, just patronizing me, humoring me. I wanted to just do a quick tour of our ranch here and let everybody know that crypto's not the main part of our life. It's an exciting thing that's going on that we're trying to take advantage of. We feel that there's opportunity here the next couple years especially to get in, kind of like the .com times. But just to go through our little ranch here, we like to call it the Love Grows Farm because we consider ourselves kind of cowboy hippies. And I get up in the morning slumming it, and we kind of are pseudo homesteaders. We try to do what we can, but we have kids and, you know, school and church, and I have a job and all of those things. So our time is spread out, so we can only do so much. But one of the things we do is we heat our house 100% from firewood. And I try to cut as much as I can, but I also buy wood, and I do haul it and stack it myself from people that cut wood around here up in the East San Diego Mountains. So in the morning we like to get our doggies out. This is our dog Kona right here. And when you live out in the hills, you kind of got to have dogs because of coyotes and lions and stuff like that. But we've got them on a runner right now, but the plan is to get some fenced area. We've only been here basically just a few months trying to get settled and doing a major remodel on the bathroom. So you can tell our time is really, really tore up. The back part of the property goes up, I don't know, probably about 3 acres out there. And then we have almost 2 acres on the bottom part of the property. There's natural oaks here that fill the area. Some of them are known as red oaks. There's also a white oak, and the what's the other one called? The Edelman oak?
Something like that. I noticed a lot of the oak trees are turning color right now.
Yeah, a lot of them are blooming. They go through their season right now, and they're getting ready for their acorns. And the Native Americans that were in this area would grind those up and eat them. We got a couple peach trees under here, so since this is our first year on the property, we're going to see what kind of fruit they have, and if they look like they haven't gone 100% wild, then I will dig those up in the fall and relocate them where they can get a little bit more sun, because we really like this oak tree. It's probably one of the nicest older oak trees on the property. We have these eucalyptus here. They don't do too well here because we do get snow. So my wife's not happy, but I think I'm going to cut those down and
I like them in the summer when it's warm because it gives a lot of shade on the house.
Exactly, but we will probably cut those down. The limbs are always falling, and they're not native to this area, and they're not really producing anything. If I was going to plant some eucalyptus, I would probably plant the lemon variety because you can use the oils for all sorts of good things. Insect repellent, also it's good for the lungs if you're into that kind of thing. The trees that you see with the red bark, I always call it chaparral because I'm an old prospector of sorts, but they are actually manzanitas. And then down here, we're going to try to keep this under 10 minutes, I guess.
We're already at 4.
We've got pear. I'm not exactly sure what type of pears. I think they're different varieties because they're not all blooming at the same time. They've been neglected pretty much the last 6 years, so we've tried to cut off the dead wood, and we're nursing them back. The straw that you see is the chicken waste, and the black piles, or the lighter piles that you see, are actually ash from our fireplace. This is a natural fertilizer. We're all organic here. There's about 5 apple trees and 5 pears. We have 3 apricots and 2 almonds. You can see we have a really nice view here. Maybe you can panorama the view.
Yes, I think this is what one of the things that sold us on this house was the spectacular view.
Right. Yeah, I'm not sure the mountain way out there in the back. I'm not sure if that is a Anza Borrego mountain or if that is all the way out in Riverside, but back even further, you can't really see it too good today. It's kind of cloudy, but we can actually see all the way to Big Bear, which is, gosh, what is that? Well over 100 miles, huh?
Probably.
And then that peak there is,
Cuyamaca.
say it louder.
Cuyamaca Peak.
Cuyamaca Peak.
On the other side is Julian.
Yeah. We have more oak trees here. These ones, I believe, are the white oak, and this is the Edelman one here. Because we have a lot of predators here, mountain lions, coyotes, bobcats. In fact, you chased a bobcat right out of
Yep,
here, huh?
I did.
You want to come in
And
for
he
a second?
came out, or he came back.
He came back.
Yeah, an hour later.
Can you see where you're going?
Kinda.
Okay. These are our girls here. We have, how many we got right now?
13.
13. And yeah, we raised them since they were babies.
They were
They're-
in our master bedroom at one point.
Nothing like a chicken in the bedroom, baby. What kind are these?
Those are the barred rocks.
Barred rock. These
Red
are our
stars.
These ones are so sweet. These are the best chickens you could ever have, I think. This is a Rhode Island red right here.
Big ol' eggs come out of those girls.
Leghorn. And what's this pretty one here?
She's a blue Andalusian.
Blue Andalusian. Okay. And then the big white ones are
Colombian Winadots.
the Winadots.
And then we have a buff Minorca, the broody one. She's around somewhere.
So,
They just follow us everywhere.
yeah, we love it. Kara treats them with these worms flown in from the south of France.
That's not true.
She massages them every
There
night.
she
This
is.
Broody right here.
She's a troublemaker. She creates a lot of
She's a
problems.
troublemaker. She's not friendly. She's the only one that's not friendly.
We're at
So if
8.
you got chickens, this grandpa feeder right here is automatically opens up. They've learned how to open it up, but we keep it open in the day just to make sure that they can not get stuck in it. It's real good, keeps the feed from getting lost.
We're at 8:30.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. Let's see if we got any henberries. One. Look at the size of that baby.
That's a nice one.
2, 3, 4. And I built this coop. It comes all apart. It has wheels that go in the back. It's kind of heavy, but it will roll around.
And it's got a solar power.
Broken egg.
Oh, darn it. She probably did
Dang
that.
it.
That happens.
Trying to eat the yolk too. No, I don't want him to eat the egg because.
And this is Flower. I'll get Flower real quick. She's
All right.
our
Then we'll
other doggy.
wrap it up. You got flour on there?
Yep. She's on chicken duty today. Protecting.
Thank you for coming on a little tour with us on our farm. This concludes today's tour with Mountain Crypto. I'm your host, Shane Ripley. Over and out.